In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero invoices in just about 5 minutes. If you're running a business, keeping track of your invoices is absolutely crucial, not just for maintaining your financial records, but also for ensuring that you're staying on top of your receivables and payables. Xero, one of the leading online accounting software, offers a seamless way to manage your invoices. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or new to this platform, this guide is designed to help you navigate through Xero to find your invoices quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Xero website. It's here where all your accounting and financial management tasks can be carried out with ease. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing all of Xero's features. Clicking on the login button will prompt you to enter your credentials. This is where you'll type in your registered email and password. It's important to ensure that the details you enter here are accurate to avoid any login issues. Remember, your email and password are key to keeping your account secure, so make sure you're entering the correct information. Upon entering your valid email and password, you'll then click on the Login button. This action will usher you into the dashboard of your Xero account, a central hub from which you can access various functionalities, including viewing your invoices. Now, to get to your invoices, look for the Go to Business link. You might need to navigate through the main menu to find this option. The business section of Xero is where all transactions related to your business are managed. By clicking on this, you're one step closer to finding those invoices. Once you've entered the business section, it's time to click on the Invoices option. This is where Xero gathers all your invoicing data, allowing you easy access to both your incoming and outgoing invoices. Whether you're looking for an invoice you've sent to a client or one you've received from a vendor, this is the place to find it. Throughout this process, if you're following along, you'll notice Xero's user-friendly interface designed to make your navigation as smooth as possible. The intuitiveness of the platform is evident, with straightforward labels and logical placements of functions and features. Here's a helpful tip. If you are looking for a specific invoice and have a lot of transactions, make use of the search and filter functions provided within the Invoices section. These tools are incredibly helpful for quickly locating an invoice by date, amount, or even by the name of the client or supplier. In addition to these steps, Xero also offers various resources and support tools to assist you in managing your invoices. From setting up recurring invoices to customizing your invoice templates, there's a lot you can explore to streamline your invoice management process. In conclusion, finding your invoices in Xero is a straightforward process. By simply logging into your account, navigating to the business section, and clicking on Invoices, you're presented with a comprehensive view of all your invoicing transactions. Remember, keeping an organized record of your invoices not only helps in maintaining your financial records, but also in managing your business's cash flow effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to find your invoices in Xero. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your use of its features, following these simple steps will have you handling your invoices like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make managing your business finances smooth and efficient.